Simple brow routine update, MsSassyPat. Hi, I'm going to show you how I achieve my simple brow routine. So first, I'm just brushing my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush. I just brush them upward. And now I'm using this hair trimmer, and this is the best item I've ever purchased. It was $5 at the 5 and below. I even like it better than the more expensive one I purchased. So I've done my eyebrows before, but I just wanted to show you the process of what I do to clean up my brows. It's kind of hard to do the bottom portion, but I'm just doing the best that I can. Now mind you, I am not a professional, but I'm just trying to shape up my brows since the nail salons are closed and I can't get my eyebrows waxed. So now I'm taking this little razor and I'm going to shape the top of my brows. Now this brow, I think I may have cut a little more than I should, but it'll go back eventually. And this is my fuller brow. So I'm just trying to get rid of the excess hair. So I'm going to try to do the bottom portion. And as I said, I've done this before. I just wanted to give you an idea of how to do it. I do this at least once a week. And now I'm using the tweezers to get any hairs that I couldn't get with the razor or my hair trimmer. So now I'm taking my brow brush and just pressing upward, and now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild brow pencil in brown, and I'm going to just fill in the sparse part of my eyebrow. I'm just trying to get a more natural look. And so now I will do like the little tip part. I think it looks pretty good. I am definitely a lot better than I started, so each time I do it, I am getting better. And I will do the other side. So I'm just really filling in the sparse areas. And then I'll make my little angle. On this brow, I do not have brows on the end. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't have a Q-tip with me. I would have went in with the Q-tips to clean up any excess from the eyebrow pencil. And I'll take my brow brush and just comb brush the front and get it looking all cute. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. wax pencil. I love this pencil. It's $2 if you get it from Target. It's $1 if you can find it at the Dollar Tree. I love this wax pencil. And then I will comb the front of my brows up a little, so it just gives it more of a natural effect. So now I will use my ColourPop concealer, and this is an optional step. I just want to make my eyebrows look a little bit more defined and to get rid of my dark circles and brighten up my eyes. And now I'll put some underneath my eyes of the concealer just to brighten up the dark circles and to brighten up my eyes. And there you go. What do you think? I think they look super cool. As I said, I'm not a professional or anything like that, but I'm definitely getting better each and every time that I do my brows. This is just a very simple brow routine. I love my simple look. As always, I thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the very next one. Bye!
MsSassyPat. Wow. You make your hair look good, get your makeup right, get you dressing nice, alright. She got expo light, to cook tonight, she might save your life, alright. Maybe you should tune in. Maybe you should tune in. Life hack, she got nice wigs, she got good skin, she got good hair. MsSassyPat.